Hello viewers, welcome to our channel A to Z videos. If you like this video, please share and ask your friends to subscribe. In this video, I would like to explain how to update the EndNote styles from one journal to the another journal. So in very simple and systematic steps, I am explaining here. So go to your manuscript and then open EndNote, and then the citations panel, you should go there, and you need to, before going to update that, I'm explaining how to edit and manage your citations. Like I want to remove some of the citations, so how I'm removing it. Go to the edit and manager and then click there, and you will find the options of every citation, and then you can remove the citation and press OK. Then you can remove the citations, and automatically the EndNote will update the entire information here. So this is how I'm doing here. This is how I'm editing the references. So we can remove the citations by using this method. So see, previously in that there was one citation, now there were two citations, now it is only. Similarly, you can do the removing editing options of entire manuscript by using this method. So all you need to do is you need to go to EndNote and then go to the citations panel and edit and manage the citations, and then if you click it, and there are the options will come, and to edit references there is an option called remove citations, and then press OK. Then it will give you the it will manage the citations like references. This is how I am doing here. So if I want to change the style from one journal to the other journal, each and every journal will have a different formats, so there are different styles. So you need to update by using this way. Here my EndNote style is in biomedicine and pharmacotherapy. If I want to update into a journal of cell biology, I have to press click, and then it will be formatted the entire bibliography, and then then it will update the entire manuscript. So previously you see this here. So previously it was the numbers of each and every citation. Now it will show the author details here, the first author details and the year name for this particular journal in the EndNote style. So in the journal of cell biology, it will show the author names. In the previous style, it will show the only number of the citations. Similarly, you can do the n number of styles here. So if you don't have any styles, you need to download it from the Google by clicking the particular journal name and EndNote style, and I'm using here JBC as EndNote style. And the Web of Science group developed the almost 6,000 bibliographic styles. You can download 6,000 bibliographic styles from this website, and you need to verify each and every detail whether it is the journal of biology. There are same name, there are so many journals will be, and also you have to verify the discipline and file names, everything. And then you click download the style. You click the download style and then save it in the folder. And once you saved it, you need to go to the file location and copy that file. Copy the file. After copying it, you need to go to local disk C, and then you go to the program files, and then EndNote, and then styles. You have to paste here. If you have previously, it will ask you whether you want to match the same file or like that. So if it is not there, then you can copy and paste there. So I am pasting here for the JPC style, and it will give you a pop-up, and you need to press continue, and where your journal of biological chemistry EndNote style is downloaded and kept properly in the styles. Now you go to the manuscript, and then you need to verify it whether it is in the recent files, because you did not use it. So now you go to the addition of new style and click it. So all the EndNote styles will be appeared here, and then you need to select that whatever the journal you want. So I'm using the journal of biological chemistry, then biochemistry journal. So I'm clicking OK. So now the entire manuscript will be updated in the format of Journal of Biological Chemistry, and if you click update it, all the bibliography or all the references will be updated according to the Journal of Biochemistry and not style. And then you can click save as. Then yes, if you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.